So I told him you said it was all you can eat. Now I'm not leaving until I'm good and full.
That's great, Carl. You really know how to get your money's worth. Although, we have been here since 8 a.m. and it is now 8 p.m. Did you happen to wash your shirt? Because you have a meatball stain on it from when we came here yesterday.
No, why? That stuff adds character to clothes. I also went jogging in this same shirt and clothes for last week.
I wasn't going to mention it, but that explains a lot, Carl. You kind of smell.
It does? I don't know what it could be. All I smell is the delicious food here at the buffet, Rudy.
Well, I gotta go, Carl. I sure enjoyed spending time with you. Kind of.
That's odd. I can't smell anything. I even showered last week after taking the mud bath. And I think that Weisenheimer Rudy was trying to say I stink.
Well,
I mean, can you believe the nerve of that guy?
actually, I've kind of noticed a funky odor too, since you started working out daily with that jog you do.
What? I'm trying to get in shape. Do you mean to tell me I smell? Well, I never. That is not even possible. I brush my teeth once a week. I shower once a week.
I didn't know how to say something, Carl, but sometimes when you exercise a lot, you have to shower more often.
Oh, you and Rudy are just imagining things. Why, I smell great. Like roses on a cool summer day. Like oregano on pasta. Like cheese on macaroni. Like cinnamon on cotton candy.
All right, Carl, I think you're getting a little carried away. Settle down and start showering daily and brushing your teeth morning and at night.
Oh man, who knew playing Q*bert could make you so sweaty?
I can't believe that you used to play this game when you were my age. I would have thought that you would have been better if you played it before.
What are you talking about? I would have won the last couple of games if I was trying.
It's no fun at all.
Come on, Q*bert's a lot of fun.
Do you smell something, Uncle Carl?
Yes, the sweet smell of my video game victory.
Wow, Uncle Carl, you stink. When was the last time you took a shower?
Why is everyone telling me I smell?
As you can see, Uncle Carl has been told by many people that he smells. At first he tried to ignore it, but now that everyone seems to feel that way, this is something that Uncle Carl should definitely address. Now, Uncle Carl isn't really a morning person. However, he can change that by brushing his teeth to start the day. By doing this, he'll clean his mouth, and that will go a long way towards getting rid of germs and eliminating bad breath when he talks to people. After that, Uncle Carl should take a shower. This will eliminate all the oils and other things that have accumulated on his body over a day. In fact, some people take more than one shower a day, especially if they play sports and are very active. Next, Uncle Carl should apply deodorant. This will help him smell good throughout the day. And if he ever notices it stop working, or others tell him that it isn't working, Uncle Carl can always apply more. Once he's showered and smelling good, Uncle Carl should comb his hair. Not only will combed hair make him look twice as nice, but it'll also allow him to comb out anything that might be in his hair. Throughout the day, Uncle Carl should use mints especially after eating or drinking things that might affect his breath, like coffee or his favorite, salami sandwiches. Also, he can share these with other people, which is always nice too. Now that the day is over and it's time to go to bed, Uncle Carl should brush his teeth one more time. This is very important because as we eat during the day, certain bacteria eat and give off waste from the food you eat. Brushing your teeth before bed really helps to keep them clean. Let's see how people react to Uncle Carl now that he's cleaned up his act, so to speak.
So I told them, you said it was all you can eat. I'm not even leaving until I'm good and full.
That's great, Carl. I'm glad you had 6 more plates after I left. I noticed you look different.
Really? How so?
Well, your hair is not as greasy, and you don't have food stains on your clothes, and you look cleaner, more ready for going out.
Do you notice any smells?
Not really.
That's great. So anyway, about this all-you-can-eat shrimp place I told you about. They made me leave after about 10 hours. I wasn't done and I'm thinking about saying something to the manager. We might even have a class action lawsuit. Liza, this popcorn is delicious.
Thank you, Carl.
When I walked in, I could tell by the smell. Liza hit the popcorn out of the park tonight.
Speaking of smells,
Oh no!
you smell really good, Carl. Did you get a new deodorant?
Let's just say I started using my deodorant a little bit more and showering daily, amongst other things.
I can tell.
Oh man, who knew Cubert could make you smell so sweaty? Let me guess. You smell something again, don't you? Well, I'll have you know my hygiene has gotten a lot better, and if you...
Well, actually, you smell great, Uncle Carl. I guess I was just kind of surprised.
Well, don't be. Hygiene is very important. Showering, brushing your teeth, wearing deodorant, these are things we need to do every day.
I know. My parents remind me about that all the time.
Well, listen to them. You know what else smells great? Dinner! Let's eat already. I'm practically starving over here.